Alright, so here is another log type function that it's a little more complex, but about like the last one. Pretty straightforward. I have it written here, so let me get this down for you. It is log, ooh, it's a big L, of x squared minus x minus 1 is 0. Okay, so there's some confusion with logs. We still have the same definition that we need, that if we have log base a of x is y, then this is true if and only if we have a to the y is equal to x. So what does that mean in this case? Well, we don't have a base showing, but remember when we don't have the base, this is the common log. So we can actually write a 10 down here. So if we write a 10, and let me change this a little bit because it's not quite what I need here, and unfortunately my pen is a little fat on the ink, so let me change the width to that to be more like that. So here I'll have a 10 down here. That's better. So I have log base 10 because this is common log and it started out just a log, where now I'm going to use this definition and I'm going to have 10 to the 0 is equal to x squared minus x minus 1. So 10 to the 0 is just 1. All right, now when you look at this originally and it just says log of x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, you don't want to get confused and think you can use regular algebra. You have to use this definition first to get rid of the log. Okay, so now that we've done that, we've simplified everything. Now we have to go back to the algebra like in the last video. I'm going to take away 1, take away 1. So that 0 is x squared minus x minus 2. And now I'm going to do this. So I have these factors, and we know how to solve them. I'll just shorten it. We know that it's going to be the opposite of what we see. We got 2 and we got negative 1. Now, if I put either of them in here, it should work out. Remember, we can't take a log of a negative number, so we should be okay here. So I put in the 2, and I get 4 minus 2, which is 2, minus 1. We're good to go. If I plug in the negative 1, I get 1 plus 1, which would be 2, and minus 1. Get 1 again. So we're good to do. All right, so let's get a little crazy and change the color. I'm joking, seriously, it's not. But, let me go with a little bit different width. Let's go to 3. All right, so here is another one along the same lines here. Oop, that doesn't show up very well. Okay, let me go back to the red. All right, so if I have log base 3 of x squared minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 1. All right, so the same kind of thing, but now we have a little bit more numbers and we actually have the base written. So I'm going to take this 3, raise it to the first. That's always the first step. Get rid of the log. Okay, so I have this. Use the algebra again. Take away 3. Take away 3. All right, so from here, I want to factor 12. So I'll get negative 8 in the middle. That means we're going to have minus 2, minus 6. So, you know, our only options with that are 112, 2, 6, 3, 4. So it has to be the 2 and the 6. So that's the only way to get 12 here. So from this, I see that x is 2 and x is 6. If I plug these back in the original, they'll work. So we always want to do that. Go back to the original. Okay? All right, I hope that helped.